Hello everyone, Andy here, and today you join me with something that's just been announced from DJI only hours ago, so you are getting this pretty first hand actually. It was announced by DJI Enterprise. It's like a little cryptic clue of something that's going to be happening soon. Now I found this via a forum which I'll put a link up on the description, but it was actually from a Twitter post from DJI Enterprise. So you'll be able to check that out yourself. If you go on Twitter and look them up, you'll see it. So it says the world of work is changing, evolve with us, which is pretty cryptic, but I quite like what this guy on this like blog forum thing had written. So what I've done is I've printed it out and I'm just going to sort of say what they've written, because I think actually it is quite interesting. And I'm really intrigued to see what it's going to be. So this morning, this is Friday the 23rd of March, DJI Enterprise has announced for us, a bit like it did with the DJI, like a cryptic kind of just thumbnail, the message read that over the years DJI has reshaped the way creative minds view the world. Now we're changing the way you work in it. Stay tuned for what's next on March 28th. So, and as I mentioned, it says the world of work is changing, evolved with us. So this person has dissected what they've said, and rather than me rewriting my own thing, I actually think this is good. So they've written, it is hard to get much information out of DJI's announcement, but they're going to give a shot at it. The first part of the tweet says, over the years DJI has reshaped the way creative minds view the world. So this seems to mean that DJI provided drones to creative photographers and filmmakers and offered them a new aerial perspective on the world, which I totally agree with. I've been subject to that myself. The second part says, now we're changing the way you work in it. So, and the words being it would have referred to the world, so DJI will be changing the way creative minds work in the world. This is re-emphasising the text in the image which says the world of work is changing, evolve with us. Really interesting. Could this be a new drone like the Mavic Pro 2, or could it be a Phantom 5? Maybe that is something that because we've all been waiting for something like that. I'm not too sure if it is going to be that personally, because just like what this person has written, this may well be true, it could be the announcement, but it is only an announcement and not an invitation to an event like we had with the DJI Mavic Air, which is very true. And obviously that was a whole new drone, so I'm wondering if it's not going to be about an actual drone itself. If DJI were going to announce the new Mavic Pro 2, we would expect them to have an event and an invite press with media. That is true. So I'm not too sure. First when I saw this, I don't know what you think, I got really excited and I was thinking next week we might see something like the Mavic 2. Now we have heard rumours of it being March and also I've heard May, so not sure, but I'm a bit dubious because of its sort of ambiguity and you know, it is very vague. It's a bit cryptic, so rather than it just being like there's got to be an announcement of something like new, with all the kind of PR and stuff like the Mavic Air had. So I am thinking it's not going to be, but let me know in the comments below what you think. I'm going to wrap it up here guys, because I just wanted to get this video out there so you could see and hear this latest information before you get it from anyone else. So hope you found this useful. Have a look at the link below, you'll see the tweet and you'll see the comments from the person's blog that I found this on, if you think it's legit as well. If you're new to my channel, make sure to hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon to keep up to date with future videos. Thanks everyone for watching, see ya!